Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a sweet slice of history that you might not know about. How did desserts boost morale in tough times? Let's find out. Throughout history, desserts have not just been a treat for the taste buds, but also a crucial element in boosting morale during challenging times. Whether in the trenches of war or during economic depressions, a simple sweet dish could bring a smile to many faces. Let's start with pie. Not just any pie, but the classic apple pie, alongside other fruit pies. These weren't just delicious, they were symbols of home and comfort. Imagine being a soldier away from home, facing uncertainties every day. Now, picture being handed a slice of warm homemade apple pie. It's not just food, it's a reminder of what you're fighting for, the tastes of the life waiting for you back home. Moving on to cake? Yes, sometimes soldiers were served slices of cake. This wasn't an everyday luxury, but when it did happen, it was a real treat. Cake brought a sense of celebration, a brief moment where soldiers could forget their surroundings and revel in the joy of something as simple as a slice of cake. And we can't forget about the hot beverages, coffee and tea. These weren't just to keep warm, they were a communal experience. Sharing a hot drink created a moment of camaraderie and connection among soldiers, a small but powerful morale booster in itself. So next time you enjoy your dessert, remember that these sweet treats carry more than just calories. They carry history, comfort and joy that have helped uplift spirits during some of the toughest times. What's your favorite comfort dessert? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for joining me on this sweet journey through history. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating tales. Stay sweet and see you next time.